What should we play today? Should we play Super Mario or should we play Animal Company?
Let's play some Animal Company.
Sure. Do you need the bathroom, by the way? Or are we fine?
Yeah, I really need it. See, hold on. Hey, we're back.
What is she doing down there? Did you guys hear that? That was a massive dump.
Yo, I'm coming back up.
Hey, what did you do in that bathroom? Okay. Sure, I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna go and do my business. Hey, yo, why is there poo everywhere? You need to flush the toilet. And it's still not going away. Just messed my toilet. Poo all over it. What did you do to my toilet?